Hello, everybody. I was looking at the older vacuums and also the old ads right here. You might recognize from the 90s. I do remember they had a wide track Bissell Power Groom version right there, and that one's the Black Bissell Microlog, and the other one might be the Power Partner. The 90s were my favorite machines I love. I remember the Bissell carpet cleaner from the 90s, the Dirt Devil Swivel Guide, the Eureka Whirl Vac. Wow. These vacuums right over here were popular. And I remember growing up with all these brands, and the Bissell Plus came out in the mid 90s. That's from 1995. When Bissell first made their first vacuum cleaner experiments. Even Hoover has always been my favorites, and I remember the old days were the best machines at times, and growing up with this one, with the Turbo Power series from the 90s, like all the, like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 series of them, I mostly kind of grew up with, and the old Hoovers and the Eurekas and the Dirt Devils were popular, and the Bissell products from the year by Sunday, March 30th, 1997 in Iowa. I remember they had 3 vintage Bissell upright vacuums and a carpet cleaner right there. That's the one I kind of grew up with, and I do remember this one right here from the Baltimore Sunday newspapers. We're from July 27th, 1997. And that's the blue. This might be the black or the Black Bissell right there. That's the Black Bissell Power Groom right there. And these are really old machines. I look familiar for, and these are old days. Wow. The 90s. Wow, you guys. the Bissell carpet cleaner from the 90s, and JCPenney, Fall and Winter from 1997. I remember that. And that's the Bissell Dirt Lifter carpet cleaner. Was from 1999. I do remember the Hoover ads in the Hoover bags from 1999. In the Dirt Devil series right here was from 97. The Sharp vacuums, Panasonic and the Dirt Devils, were from 1997, and these older catalogs were popularity, and like I really need to expose about the 90s brands, and I just remember a lot of older machines that I mostly kind of grew up with. Like the Super Sale from Sunday, January 26, 1997. I remember growing up with those were popularity, and I found the other catalogs right here, like the Bissell 8-amp motor, the Eureka the Boss Plus. That's what I got. That's what I have in the Hoover Elite Supreme. I never had one like that. I still got my soft bag Hoover Preferred. That's the hard body box version. It was on Wednesday, December 31st, 1997. And I remember the old days. It never gets old.